Hi, I'm Kyle with Policy Buff, and today we'd like to welcome you to the inaugural episode of our new YouTube series, Making a Scene. The idea behind making a scene is to not just focus on how your light interacts with the model, but the environment and movement as well. So for this shoot, I wanted to have kind of a techno-futuristic dystopian feeling to it. I built a head with sort of a serial number built into the forehead out of LED lights. Wires coming out of the head, you're wired in, you're stuck in place, sitting at a desk all day, and I really wanted something to pop. And it didn't feel like an office chair really fit here, so I built a chair out of strobes. So I used 3 links and 3 separate strip boxes, 2 10 by 36 inch strip boxes for the armrests, and 1 14 by 60 inch for the back. So one of the biggest problems that we faced with this is the LEDs that are built in the head are pretty cheap lights. Subsequently, they are pretty dim, and they weren't showing up when I flashed because they're not nearly bright enough. So what I did was I set my camera up top on a boom arm, and we did a longer exposure at 0.63 seconds. And this allowed, a little bit of time for those LEDs to catch up to everybody else. So to light the face, we needed a little something extra, so we put a light mod mainframe with a light mod snoot onto a link, turn the power all the way down, and that way, after the long exposure, when, some of the other stuff comes out in the face, this just gave it a little more pop on one side. Posing is just as important as the atmosphere that we built. So what we did was we had our subject pull his arms back, head up, really mimicking, the kind of awful, intense posture you get from an uncomfortable chair. All in all, it was a considerably more creatively challenging shoot than I have done before with one of these. We'd like to thank you for watching today. If you're interested in making a scene, you don't just have to throw a pie at a stranger. You can like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more content.